Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another nail DIY video for you guys. You guys seem to really like these videos on my channel. I have one that's like damn near at 50,000 views. So I was like, let me give the girls and boys another nail DIY tutorial. You know what I'm saying? So today I'm going to be doing a full Polygel nails set. You guys saw it in the beginning, the little clip of my nails. They came out really cute. So if you're interested in today's video, then make sure you keep watching. So first I'm starting off with a nail file. This is 100/180 grit nail file. So one side is 100, the other side is 180, and I'm just buffing off the top layer of my nails. I'm not going crazy with this. I'm using the 100 side, the softer side. I believe that's how it works. I'm using the softer side. And I'm just buffing off the top layer. That way our nails are ready and prepped to go for everything to stick to them really well. So that's what they look like. And then I'm going with my Beauty Secrets. I got this nail glue from Sally's Beauty. Everybody was asking me in my last couple of nail videos, even though I linked it in the description box. This nail glue is from Sally's Beauty. The brand is Beauty Secrets. And I'm just gluing on these tips. These are Kiss nail tips. They're the long square set. Everything will be linked in the description box down below, so don't worry about that. You'll be able to purchase everything online and have it shipped to you, because as you guys know, we're in quarantine right now, which is why I'm doing my own nails. I mean, I always have done my own nails, but you know, this is why you're watching this video, because you want to know how to do your own nails at home, because you want to feel cute again. You know, you want to have a little manicure going for yourself, and that is quite alright. Like, I'm here for you, boo. Like, I understand the struggle. So glue on your nail tips. That's what mine are looking like. These are hella long. I was feeling like I wanted to leave them at this length, but then I was like, no, you're doing too much, because you're gonna be at home and you don't need your nails to be that long. So then I'm going in and I'm just pushing back my cuticles with this cuticle pusher. I probably should have done this before I glued on the nail tips, but I kind of forgot, so I'm just quickly doing it now. And I'm gonna take my cuticle cutter and I'm gonna just clip away any dead cuticle skin, you know, dead skin that's sitting around the cuticle on my nail, so that they look really nice and neat. And that's what my nails is looking like. I was feeling like Saweetie when she was like, that's your boo? That's your boo? So I'm just going in with a acrylic nail cutter. This one is like the durable one, so that you can cut through really thick or really thin nails, but I just clipped all the nails down to the desired length, and then I'm going back in with my nail file and I'm just buffing the little like ledge. I don't even know what to call that, but I'm buffing the tip where the tip is glued on so that it's smooth, so there's no like ridge there or bump. And I'm doing that to all of my fingernails, as you can see. That's what that looks like. They really come together, you know. And then I decided I wanted to do like a ballerina shape, ballerina / coffin. They're not going to be super narrow, but I did want them to be more tapered in, because they kind of do go out because they're a square nail tip. I actually want to purchase some already shaped ballerina or coffin style nail tips, so I'm going to be ordering that today on Amazon. But I just went ahead and I cut the sides with my cuticle cutter, like, but I just kept it towards the top of the nail or the end of the nail, and I'm just cutting off those sides. And that's what that looks like. And then I'm gonna go in with my nail file. This is from Kiss. It's really great nail file. I love this nail file so much. I believe I also purchased this at Sally's Beauty's, or I might have gotten it at the regular beauty supply store, which is not open right now because it's not an essential business, and I'm hurting inside because I want to go into the beauty supply store and I want to spend 2 hours in there just looking at everything, you know? Like, after you shape your nails, they should look like that. And then you're going to go in with your pH bond dehydrator. This is a part of my gelish nail kit. I've used this in about every single video, so I will have it linked down below. But you just want to apply a dehydrator to your nail, and only your nail, and then you want to go in with your primer, your bonder, whatever you want to call it. You don't want to be as generous as I was with this. You want to, a little bit less is necessary. Like, a little bit less is more than okay. I was kind of heavy-handed with this. You don't need that much. And then I'm going to go in with my foundation. This is just a base coat. This also came in my gelish nail kit that I purchased off of Amazon. Again, everything will be linked down below. Doing one thin layer of the foundation. And I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. So I did cure after the primer. So I did the primer, I cured for 60 seconds, put the foundation on, cured for 60 seconds. And now we're at the Polygel portion of this video. Polygel, I'm not like super experienced with it. I've used it less than a handful of times, but this was actually really easy to use. My camera died right as I was putting it on that nail, but I'm going to show you the next 2 fingers for certain. So I already did 3 and I have 2 more to go. So you just want to get your little spatula and use some Polygel out of the tube, squeeze it out. It's very stiff. And you're going to use a little bit of alcohol. So I have a little dish next to me with some alcohol in it. It's 70% alcohol, and that's what you're going to use to mold the Polygel onto your nail, onto the tip. So I always cover the end of the tip first. So you see me kind of dragging and patting the Polygel down to the end of my nail. And then once that's covered and it's at my desired like thickness, because I don't want it too thin, but I also don't want it too thick because it's the end of the nail, I'm going to start to press and pat that ball that I applied to the tip of the nail, and I'm going to bring it all the way up to where the cuticle is. So you guys can just watch. It was trickier to do it on my right hand because I am a righty, so it was trickier to do it with my left hand, but this is actually my right hand doing my left hand, and it was not hard at all. Actually, like, I actually really ended up liking it. Makes me want to purchase some more Polygel colors because I only have white and clear, but I actually really enjoyed it because it gives you so much time to work on the nail because it doesn't dry. It only dries once you cure it for the 60 seconds, but before that you have all the time in the world to mold it to your desired shape, thickness, and all that stuff. So I really like that I had so much time with this product. So that's what my desired thickness and shape is. I went ahead and cured it, and I moved on to my thumbnail. This is the last nail that I have to do. So again, I'm applying that bead of Polygel to the tip of my nail. And then I'm going to pat and press that down so that it's molded to the tip and it's covering all of the edges, the little corners there. And then once I have it at my desired thickness, I'm going to start to press that bead into the rest of my nail, slowly dragging it up to the cuticle. And this bead didn't go all the way to my cuticle, so I'm gonna go ahead and like add another one, but I'm just showing you guys what it looks like so far. So I'm going in with a second bead. You can do like a 2-ball bead method where you apply 2 as opposed to just 1 to cover the whole nail, but I feel like applying 1 for me is just easier because you don't want to apply too much Polygel because then you'll have to take some off, which is kind of what happened here. But I wasn't able to put on the exact amount that I needed, so I had to go in with a second ball of Polygel. And I'm just molding those sides, cleaning it up. Remember, I'm using alcohol for this. I'm not using acetone, and it's 70% alcohol. That's what the nail looks like before I cured it for 60 seconds. And then after I cure, I'm going to take a lint-free nail wipe and I'm going to clean off the little sticky layer of gel so that I can go ahead and shape my nails because they're a little lumpy and bumpy. I said that a lot in one of my videos and somebody was like, you really like to say a lumpy and bumpy, and I'm like, yeah, I mean, how else am I supposed to describe what the nail is looking like? It's looking lumpy and bumpy. Like, I don't know what to say. So I'm just going in with my nail file and I'm shaping my nail. I'm buffing the top so that it's nice and smooth, getting rid of those lumps and bumps. And I'm gonna be shaping the sides as well to make them nice and sharp and to really give me that coffin ballerina shape that I'm going for. So that's what they look like after I buff them. They're looking real good, okay? They look cute. Look at that thumb. I mean, I've paid like $55 for a set like this, and I'm doing this at home for like $15. Like, I don't even know how much it cost me, but it wasn't that much. And then I'm going in with my top coat. This is also from the Jealous Gel Kit. And I'm just doing a single layer of clear top coat to my Polygel nails. Just want to make sure you coat all the edges of the nail. Go all the way up to the cuticle, but don't get the gel on your cuticle because when you cure it, it will definitely be on your cuticle. After I cured for 60 seconds, this is what my nails are looking like. They look really good. Then I'm just going in with a cuticle oil, also from the Jealous Gel Kit. And I'm just applying the cuticle oil to my cuticles, and then I put on a little bit of hand moisturizer, and my nails looked so good. I was like really just amazed at myself. I was like, wow, this is Polygel, this looks great. Like, and they feel really sturdy, they don't feel thin, they don't feel flimsy. Like, I really am really satisfied with this Polygel set. It makes me want to only use Polygel. So you guys might see a lot more Polygel tutorials from me, but I'm just showing you all of my nails. They came out so good. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and join the fam. You can turn on your post notifications. There will be new videos 3 times a week. Let me know what other kinds of videos you want to see from me. You can leave that in the comments down below. Don't forget, you are smart, you are beautiful, and people love you. I love you, and I can't wait to see you at my next upload. Bye.